Hello everyone. So we're here today for a review of SUPERTIMER discontinued model. First thing, I wish you all Happy New Year, of course. So it's the original box. Also with the booklet and the paper with all the functions. And here is the SUPERTIMER. So as I said, it's a discontinued model. It's like a Swiss champ, but we added the watch in the scales, in the front scale, and we lost tweezers, of course. It was available in black, like this one, and also in red, exactly like the timekeeper, which I made a review about last video of 2020. It has Roman numerals, and it's also available with Arabic numerals, but only for the red. It was available, of course, because it's discontinued. It was in production from 1991 to 2007 or 2005, depends. Some say 2005, so, but let's say 2007, so around 15 years of production. So I've also got another black. It's exactly the same. It's in really good shape. Like it's like new. It's new. This one is also in really good shape. Maybe I'll sell this one. I don't know yet, but maybe I will. So if you are interested, you can send me an email. I'll see. So we go through the tools. It has 31 functions. It's I think I said 33 millimeters. With the watch, it's 36.1 millimeters, and the weight is 190 grams. And it's the 1.6796.3 because it's the black. For the red, it's just 1.6796. So first thing, we have the big blade. Small blade. So exactly the same tools as the Swiss champ of today. There are some differences, not much, but the tools evolved, of course. We'll see that after. We have a metal saw, metal file, nail file, and for cleaning nails. wood saw, of course, fish scaler with centimeters, inches, scissors, of course, pair of pliers, we have the magnifying glass, Phillips screwdriver, two positions, can opener, little flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, two positions, large flathead screwdriver, and wire stripper. On this side, corkscrew, mini screwdriver, useful for glasses. Here we are missing the straight pin. I'll say why after. Then we have a wood chisel. We have tiny flathead screwdriver. So I'm going fast because it's exactly the same as the Swiss champ, which I did a review about. We have the multi-purpose hook, and finally you have the reamer, sharp, of course. Also the pen and toothpick. Of course, on this one we don't have creases because we have the watch. This is the Swiss champ, the regular Swiss champ. So it's exactly the same, but no watch, of course. The difference is, it's, for example, you have the magnifying glass, and if I can get it out, the old and the new one. It was updated around 2004 for the magnifying glass. We have on here, we have a screw. Which we don't have here, and the screw was replaced around 1991, which means that this knife is one of the first that was built in 1991. And another thing which confirms that is no straight pin. Same reason. The first SUPERTIMER that were produced didn't have the straight pin. There are a lot of changes for tools, and thanks to that we can approximately date a knife. So I'll probably make a video about that, how to date a Victorinox based on the tools, which evolve, of course, over the years. I think that's it for the review. I've been through everything. The pliers changed too. You can see that here. I don't know the name in English, but it's for cables, and it doesn't exist here. Also, we have a small hole in here, which doesn't exist here. So there are several differences like that. So this one is around 1991, and this one is brand new. It's 1 year old. We can have a look here. So here it's the paper with all the functions in English and German, French, and other language, Spanish, Italian, etc. And here we have what we can do with all the tools. So the large blade, small blade, corkscrew, you can untie a knot, can opener, bottle opener, the reamer, scissors, Phillips screwdriver, magnifying glass, wood saw, fuse scaler, nail file, metal file, cleaning nails, metal saw, flathead screwdriver, keyring, tweezers, which of course doesn't exist here because you have the watch, toothpick, wood chisel, pliers, pen, mini screwdriver, hook, still the hook, straight pin, we don't have here either. And then how to clean, how to oil, the warranty, and how to open the watch. But I don't recommend to open it with the mini screwdriver because you will probably scratch everything, scratch the scale. A good thing is the watch opener, which is 84mm knife. It just has the main blade and this tool, the watch opener, which is really useful and safe. You don't scratch everything, and it's really better to open the knife. I also got this one in red, which were the two colors that were available. Also got another one with the original box, but I don't have the booklet, and it's brand new, almost brand new too. It's exactly the same. Maybe I'll sell this one. If you're interested, as I said, you can tell me. I'll see if I sell it or not. So yes, this is a good knife to open the watch and replace batteries. Because with the mini screwdriver, you're just gonna end up scratching everything. So I think I've covered almost everything. So it's a really beautiful knife, one of my favorites in discontinued model. The black one is really beautiful. The red one too, but I think I prefer the black one. Maybe it's why I have two of them. But it's a really beautiful knife. In any case, I think that's it for the review. Like always, if you have a question, anything, you can ask me in the comment section. You can leave a thumbs up and you can subscribe to the channel. I'll do more videos about discontinued model, about model of today that are currently in production. There are also a comparison coming up between different models, between different current models in production today. And that's it. If you have a request about if you want to compare this knife and this knife, I'm talking about Victorinox, of course, you can put it in the comment section too. And that's it. So I wish you a good day wherever you are, and Happy New Year. And see you next time.